Good? answer some of your guys' questions. So I've now got about 15 rides, 16 rides on the bike on the YZ250 in 2022. And again, if you guys haven't seen our previous videos, check them out. I've got like first impressions video, the differences from this new generation to the prior generations, from ergonomics, from chassis, suspension, brakes, the direct intake that adjusts or actually affects, I guess, the roll-on and the low-end power, and just kind of a whole overview of what I thought and how the bike's been. So since I've been on YouTube recently, I've been down to SoCal, ridden some sand tracks out in Idaho, and then I went back to Skyline today as well. So we've made some adjustments to the bike. The biggest thing is I'm waiting to drop off the suspension. The bike is oversprung for me. That's kind of what I've concluded based on how far I've had to go on softening or slowing down the compression. So I'm about 8 clicks on the forks just to get comfortable, especially when I was riding in Southern California. And we're about 5 clicks on the rear shock on slowing that compression down just to get comfortable. It's a lot better that way, but I think a spring that fits my weight, I'm about 155, will be much better, and get some valving done. It'll be really good. So the bike has held up really well. Biggest thing, like I said, they did go up a little bit stiffer on the spring, so that I've noticed that's there's a lot of harshness coming through the bike and the bars. I've rolled the bars back into my lap substantially. Actually have some micas on order that'll help a little bit as well with just kind of set in for the corners. These are a little bit taller than what I'd prefer. And then I swapped out the grips, and that was a huge difference. They're way softer compound, and the vibration, my hands haven't gone numb since I put those on. And then we've got some Ride Engineering clamps with a 23 mil offset, I believe. And those are running pretty flush in the triple clamps up top, and they're a rubber mounted clamp or bar mount. So that makes a big difference as well with vibration. So sharpens up the turning, and also it's got the split clamp design, creates a little bit more rigidity in certain areas of the fork. So more precision, I guess you could say it translates to, while compensating that with some of the rubber mounted bars, which helps with the vibration and the firmness. So put a FMF turbine core on it just off my old YZ250, my 2013, and seems like it's running fine. Got new chains, sprockets and stuff, and I'll probably put some tires on it pretty soon and freshen her up. But so far so good. And so here's some clips riding out of Skyline, and hope you guys enjoy.